Tango 337 Quebec from LA.
Yeah, I've got this to Ashcroft Garden.
Has it failed to stop, Albert?
Yes, confirming.
Received. NPAS 32 from LA.
NPAS 32, we're airborne. We'll be with you in about 11 minutes.
Received.
Tango 374, Mike Godward.
LA2 Wall Unit, RPU officers currently looking for an outstanding stolen motorcycle which has failed to stop in the McCullough Gardens area of Bishop Auckland. Last sighting was 2 up, wearing helmets. Any sightings, update control room.
NPAS 32, we've got this motorbike now. It's St Bede's Road, working its way through the estate. Orange motorcycle, 2 up, both riders wearing black jackets and wearing helmets. It's held at the T-junction with the bypass, where it is a right, southbound A688. It's overtaking vehicles using the central lanes. At the roundabout and on the roundabout, not one. LA 3051 now behind the scooter. From NPAS, this is Watling Road. Motorcycle's still failing to stop. You should be getting our downlink footage now. We are NPAS, thank you, the shoot is authorised. Off-road Cleveland Avenue. This is generally towards Weardale Drive. Using footpaths. Stand by for a street name. Maintains Warkworth Avenue. At the T-junction with Northumberland Avenue, it's a right. Just going to back off as we get towards this traffic light, so I'm going to dismiss the medium. No deviations going down Hughes Road, no risk. Rider remove helmets, risk remains low. Speed 14 miles an hour, head towards a basic double lane. High risk as we enter the opposing territory and it's one way around the roundabout. So it would be the third roundabout that continues up towards the mutual spot. Confirming neither occupants have helmets on anymore. Speed's down to approximately 50 miles per hour. Looks like they're going to go off-road again. They've taken a right onto a farm track. This is showing us Haggs Lane on our mapping. Generally making the way west-southwest. Being slowed by a farm vehicle that's using the track. To the cop car at the roundabout, if you want to stop at that roundabout, stand by, they're going out a recip on the farm track. And it's a reciprocal, now back towards Bishop Auckland, Burns House Lane, same farm track.
They're towards you, mate.
Yeah, mate, we're on that lane now. Generally towards Bankfoot Farm.
Stinger set up, Denham's scrapyard side. Stinger set up at the other end as well. Got nowhere to go other than up the hill into the farmyard.
Okay, Birdie, I've got traffic out behind you. And it's another recip. Confirming this is back towards Bankfoot Farm.
If he heads back towards that farm, takes a left or right, there's a traffic car either end of that path. I'm just trying to work out if there's anywhere else we can cover.
He's at that farm now. Just hesitating at the junction. He's taken a left back towards Bishop Auckland.
337, that's you, mate.
And it's a stop. Helmets have been discarded. Staying with the rider, still on foot, running back towards the main road. If you can get a unit up that track, he'll be running towards you. Stand by. The
bike has been picked up by the passenger and the original rider is now back on it and it's riding towards the 6072. Bike has been abandoned, both are now running away from the 6072. We've turned right into the fields, that's a right as if you joined from the main road. He's running through the fields. If you can get some units onto the 6072 opposite where the lakes are. We're going to hover right above him just to give you an idea of where he is. If I can get the chance, I will land and grab hold of the rider, but I'll lose comms at that point. He's directly below the aircraft, but he's running out of puff. Both subjects are now back together below the aircraft.
One towards me, orange t-shirt, one towards me. NPAS is out, I have one. Orange top.
One in the orange is the rider.
Just confirm this is a pilot speaking. The TFO's got the two systems to detain on the floor.
Received, thank you.
NPAS 32, we've got at least 3 officers there now, another one coming in. Just going to make an approach now, I'm just going to collect my TFO and then return back to base.
Right, so you're both locked up, dangerous drive and failed to stop for the police, okay? You don't have to say anything, but in how you defense if you don't mention my questions. Nothing much of it in court. Anything you do say, maybe give an evidence, do you understand?
NPAS, thank you so much for that.
NPAS, you're very welcome. Good job on the ground. Excellent all round. If someone wants to give us a ring when we get back to the base, I can sort out statements, etc.